I'm Megan Kingsford and I'm so excited you're here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a super quick review of what I am keeping inside of my Wallace small Sutton. This is the color Magnet Leopard, which is perfect for fall. I'm so excited about it. This is a bag that you can carry, like obviously by the small handles, in the crook of your arm, or what I like to do is use the crossbody strap, which goes really pretty short, as a shoulder strap or as a crossbody strap. I do have 3 kids, and this is not a bag that I can use when I have all 3 of my kids, but sometimes I don't need everything as much anymore, especially when I go out with my 5-year-old and my 3-year-old, and so I thought I would share with you what I can fit inside this bag. One of my absolute favorite things about the small Sutton is how much beautiful leather trim that comes on this bag, from the top handle here to the bottom feet, the side when you have it just clipped down. Like, there's just so much beautiful contrasting trim on this bag. The hardware here is silver and on the side. I also love that at the top of this bag you still get the double zipper here and here that goes all the way across, and the Sutton bag is just open so nice and wide. This one has like a gorgeous light colored lining, and you can see it does also come with the matching pouch, which comes in the great pattern. This is not the quilted material, but the like lining material, so it's really squishable and lightweight. And in here I just have wipes and an extra pull-up and diaper tucked inside, and that still fit just across the middle here. And then next to that I have my wallet. It is a large wallet and still fits in there no problem. On the key lanyard I have, guess what? My keys. I love the lanyard in the Sutton line of bags. It's just always really handy. And then there is like the signature Wallace pocketing, which means you have 2 pockets here. And in the first one I just have my phone, and in the second pocket here I just have some miscellaneous essentials for myself. I have hand sanitizer, a lip gloss, this is one of my favorites, and AirPods. Turning the bag back around, there is a long zipper pocket here, and in here is where I'm keeping snacks. So I have 2 different Cliff Bars and then 2 applesauces tucked in the back because I cannot leave the house without snacks. It's not even worth trying. You can see this bag holds quite a bit. It's really, really cute. I just love the color and the size, the shape, all of it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of what I'm keeping inside of my Wallace small Sutton. This is a darling bag. You can find the shopping links in my description box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Insta at Megan Kingsford, and I will see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye!